In this video, we are going to see how we can place the text behind the object or subject. This is the simple picture and I want to add the text like this one, and we have different variants in Nano Banana. So let's see how we can create this. First of all, just remember that if you upload this image directly and you ask to place the text directly from Nano Banana, you won't be able to get the results until you generate a proper prompt for that. So we will take the support of ChatGPT here. What I have done is I have just written on Google text behind object, and it had given us a couple of photos which shows this effect. So whatever you like, you can choose that, just download that one and just upload that particular image in ChatGPT and just ask ChatGPT to write a prompt to generate this kind of text. It will generate the prompt. If you want to refine it, make a general prompt which can help place this kind of text behind any subject, because the first one is particularly related to this scene. As you can see, it says create a realistic sports action poster of an American football player. It doesn't serve our job, so we just made a general prompt which can be used in any picture. So this is a general prompt. If you want to refine this text so that it doesn't overlap the subject in any way, I just wrote that and it has created this prompt finally. By the way, guys, you will find this prompt with this resources section of this video, so just check that out. Now once we got our results, our prompt, just click on the new chat in LM Arena, or if you want to go to Gemini, you can do that as well. And let's upload the image. Let's upload this image. By the way, this image of a person is also created by AI. Let's place this. Create a realistic scene with text. I'll just write here with text. Just do it. Something like that. And let's generate the results. And as you can see, guys, it has placed the text behind this person. But maybe we need a little bit of correction because we don't want to change the effect of the person. As you can see, it has totally changed the color scheme and style of the person as well. So I just asked to refine this and don't change the person at all. And it still didn't generate the result that I wanted. If anything like this happens, what you can do is just start over a new chat so that you can get better results. So I've added a note that keep the person looks, color, effect and clothes intact, just add the text in the background. Let's see this time how it generates the result. And this time it has created something perfect that I just wanted. The person looks and all the effects are the same, and we got a pretty decent text in the background. So as you can see, you don't need any fancy software. You can just use a simple prompt and it will automatically create this overlays to place the text in the background. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.